How to make your pins private on Pinterest. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about making your pins private on Pinterest. So now let's get started. So as you may know, when you save pictures on Pinterest, they are stored in your profile for others to see if your profile is public. So to hide your pins, you have to follow the steps. Open your Pinterest application and then go to your profile section in the bottom left corner of the screen. And once you're on your profile page, simply tap on these two horizontal lines with the circle in between them that is beside the plus icon over here. Simply tap on it and you will see the option of edit board visibility. Once you tap on it, and to hide your pins, turn the visibility setting off. Simply toggle the switch off and you'll be done. Now go back and your pins will be now hidden from your profile, meaning others won't be able to see them. So this was all about it. This is how you can make your pins private on Pinterest. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel.